Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to insert an image inside of text in Microsoft Word. So let's begin. So first we open our Microsoft Word. Now we go on blank document, and now we just need to go at insert option, and then you can see there have an option smart art. Select on it. Now select on list, then select first one, and then OK. Now you need to delete for text, just empty or remain on text. I just delete for text from here. 1 2 3 4, just on is remaining. So we just type our text here. So I just type my channel name, TechEpu, TechEpu, and then we just change our text format. So go on here, and we just need to change our text format. Here you can see this is so big, and now we need to insert an image inside of this text. So for that we just go on the format option at the top. Now we just go on here you can see text fill. So you just need to open on this, just go on picture option, and if you have any photo on your computer, just go on this from a file, or if you want to download from another or website, just go on here, and I just type from here. I just download picture from online, so for that I just type here nature, NATURY, then search it. Now you can see a lot of picture is showing. You can select any picture or photo from here. So I just try to choose my photo. So I just select this photo or this photo, is your choice. I just select this photo and then select on insert. So here you can see this photo already insert on the inside of text. You can see now I need to delete this background, text background. In this box there you can see blue background. I just need to delete this. So for that I just go on the top, there have option shape fields, select on it. Now select on no fields. So that's it. Now you can see your text already here, and you set a photo inside, or you insert a photo inside the text. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.